I feel like a generation that is raised by screens. This third spaces hits us different. Run Club is a new such social space where you don't just run, you are socializing, grabbing coffee, getting that brand deal, making friends, and ending it all with a rave. And trust me, it is so much more than just fun and fitness. So come with me, you will know what can you expect when you join a Run Club. Hi, what's up? It's 11 a.m. in a Sunday morning. I just came back from my run with a run club. And guess what? Congratulations, Gen Zs. I just had a sudden realization that to build real connections, you actually have to meet people in real life. Or I might just say, nowadays, you have to run with them in real life. But like, why? What is it? Why there are so many run clubs like everywhere? So I kind of wanted to know, and I know you also want to know that what is it? Why everyone is running suddenly? So let's find out. Good morning. I'm just tired of waiting for my Uber, so here is the outfit check for the run. Today there is a new thing in the run club. It's we are doing braids before running. Okay. Okay, let's do it fast. Wait. Okay, so first thing first, we are all in our wellness and discipline era. 5 a.m. cold showers, protein intake, matcha, pilates, all these things are taking over the internet. And whatever takes over internet takes over Gen Zs. And guess what? Now the hot new flex is in that you partied all night on a Saturday, but it's you hitting 5k on a Sunday morning before breakfast. And I think honestly, I'm here for it. Say hi to the founder. Hi Nandini.
Hello.
What's the vibe today?
It's black and white.
Why?
Black for singles and white for.
So to be honest, I have a lot of thoughts on why run clubs are suddenly everywhere. But yeah, let's not just overthink it and hear from the people who are actually running today. What brings you to the run club today?
I only ate Sundays, so I thought it would be fun to socialize with people.
What brings you to the run club today?
You, Reshma.
Fitness.
My friends.
I actually woke up without an alarm.
Okay.
I'm like rewarding myself like that.
Okay, so it's for fun, it's for fitness, for what?
Okay, so all those birthday balloons here outside, we are about to start the run. We are already running
Okay.
today. So let's make it
Oh, your balloon. What brings you to the run club today?
Energy of the crowd.
एनर्जी दे भी रहे हैं और एब्जॉर्ब भी कर रहे हैं
Absorb भी कर रहे हैं. Oh, that's correct actually. So, okay. Okay, so there is a big shift in how Gen Zs and young millennials relate to socializing these days. First, I thought that everyone is kinda done performing. And now we are craving for something that comes easy, that feels natural, but no, that does not happen here. You meet, you warm up, you run with strangers who might just become friends, and after 20-30 minutes, you grab a coffee and talk about everything in your life. So, yeah, it's wholesome, but you still have to perform here because when nobody knows you, you can be anything. Brings you to the run club today? Fitness? Fitness freaks. Okay, thank you. Let's be honest, the appeal is not just fitness, it's the vibe. And brands saw this. Brands are the real runners here. Brands are fully dipping their toes in this culture shift.
Hi, happy Pride Month, guys.
Okay,
Pride Month चालू हो
yes,
गया. I
yes,
support
happy
all
Pride
the
Month,
LGBTQ
yeah.
community, everybody. I support Jain community as well.
Yeah.
Today we ran for 2 kilometers.
Yeah.
But the run was 4 kilometers. I don't know कितना भगा है rest pace ने.
One thing you forgot. What brings you to the run club today?
देखो मैं ना I am very conflicted with my love life, so I thought कि why not should I meet people here. That's why I'm wearing black because I'm single.
Okay.
But I'm ready to turn this into white.
Okay, okay. That's why you are here.
Yes. That
was so cool. And that is what brands want, the power, the vibe of the community. From Nike marathons to cult coffee shops, I think I recently saw a Bangalore Run Club serving beers after runs. I hope that's not beer. Yeah, so these brands are totally sliding into the communities. Like, think about it. Where else do you get 100 plus people who are running together, takes things seriously, and posting every single move on stories? So yeah, brands are getting noticed through a lot of user generated content, and every group selfies is kind of a free advertisement and a smart brand placement. Because you know what? Community sells better than a billboard.
Come on, Reshma, let's go. Good job.
Hi Manan. So, what brought people to Run Club today?
Uh, to the run club,
Yeah.
I think it's all about the connection that we have built from running almost around 22 weeks. It's about the feeling of the community that they come down and enjoy with each other. They try to push each other to have fitness and happiness. Whenever something starts and it's into consistency, people join. I have been inspired from a movie named as, I think I'm just forgetting his or her name. In that movie, I saw that man running and everyone, the whole city joining him.
Forest Gump?
Forrest Gump. Yeah,
Forrest
Forrest
Gump.
Gump. And that really inspired me. I also got my inspiration from a few clubs in outside India, the western part.
Yeah.
And there, the people run at 5 a.m.
Yeah.
They run just for the fun, for the sake of fun. We also want to cultivate that culture in Bhopal, within my city, within my hometown, so that the index of loneliness among the youth reduces, the friendship and the positivity increases. That's the motivation for Gen. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And that is so true in a weird way, but this phenomenon is fixing something. It's fixing the quiet loneliness so many of us carry in crowded cities.
Balloon stayed here. That's me. Hello, hello, hello.
And of course, we are Gen Zs. We have to top it up with some Gen Z touch. I mean, a run without an after party does not feel complete, does it? And hey, it's also okay if you feel a little lost in these social spaces. If you didn't click with anyone, you walked more than you ran, if you felt feeling a bit unsure, it's okay. You showed up, and that's what matters the most. Because sometimes just lacing up and stepping out is the bravest thing you can do. And to be honest, it wasn't easy for me at first. Sometimes I felt out of place, like everyone already knew each other. Like I was not fast enough, I was not social enough. Well, enough, that's fine. It's giving us a real human interaction, whatever it is. So, yeah, run clubs are exploding, people are running, brands are noticing. What else? What else do we have? Who cares if you are in for the dating, for the dopamine, or just a good damn Sunday morning run? You can rely on a run club for all of it. Okay, guys, if you have made it this far, first of all, thank you so much for watching. Second, I would love to hear your thoughts. Drop your experience in the comments, and I'll see you in my next. Bye.